Hello, good morning. Now I would like to presentation about my research proposal. The title is Improving Speaking Skill of the 8th grade student of SMPN 8 Denpasar in the academic year 2024-2025 Talk Ron Rubin by Indah Sri Wahyuni, the last 3 NPM 074. Chapter 1. There are 2 points. The first is about introduction, the second is about research problem. Okay, talking about introduction, there are 3 points. The first is about teacher technique, the second is weakness teacher technique, the third is research technique. Okay, the first teacher technique is based on the observation is SMPN 8 Denpasar when teaching speaking, the teacher employed conversational method. And then the second is weakness teacher technique. The weakness of the conversational method is the teacher method, which is accompanied by explanation and distribution of tasks and exercise. This method makes students passive in speaking English. And then the last is researcher technique. Based on technical weakness of teacher at SMPN 8 Denpasar, the researcher found an interesting and effective teaching strategy. One of this strategy is round robin. And then next, the second is about research problem. In research problem, there's 1 point is about speaking skill. Based on my observation at SMPN 8 Denpasar, there are some issue with student speaking skill of the 8th grade of SMPN 8 Denpasar. Students feel bored and lack interesting in learning English. Okay, next in chapter 2, there are 2 points. The first is about theoretical review, the second is about empirical review. Talk about theoretical review. In theoretical review, there is language skill. In language skill, there's 2 points. The first about speaking skill, and then the second is about media. Okay, the first talk about speaking skill. Speaking skill theory, what I got according to Harmer 201, and then the second is according to Cameron 201, and then the last is according to Nunan 204. And then next, talk about media. In this research, I use round robin technique. Round robin technique. What I got according to Richard and Roger 201, and according to Kagan and Kagan 209. Okay. Okay. Next about empirical review. In empirical review, there are 2 points. The first is about review weakness, and then the second is about person study. Okay. Talk about review weakness. I got two researcher. The first is a researcher conducted by Nurita 2012, which is entitled Improving Student Speaking Skill Using Round Robin. And then the second researcher is conducted by Don Gayatri 2024, entitled Improving Speaking Skill of the 8th grade of SMPN 3 Abian Semal. The weakness of the two previous study is the researcher didn't fully explain the step and didn't explain the round robin method used in a class and didn't explain it in detail. Okay, next, talk about present study. Uh, in this study, the researcher explained in detail the implementation and teaching method of round robin before giving the text. Okay, next in chapter 3, the first is about subject of the study. In this study, the researcher subject are 8th grade student, especially class 8B SMPN 8 Denpasar for the 2024-2025. The class consists of 30 students. Why the researcher choose this class? Because researcher know little about the difficult student experience in learning speaking, particularly in fluency, comprehension, and grammar. And then next, talk about research design. This study use classroom action research. Since it is determined from the observation that the individual speaking ability is their main area of concern. And then talk about research instrument. Research instruments are used by researchers to collect valid and reliable data as need. In this research, teacher used two instruments, namely test, pre-test, and post-test, and questionnaire. Okay, next, still in chapter 3, uh, there are data collection, data analysis, and success indicator. And then the first talk about data collection. There are three type of instrument that researchers use to collect classroom data during the action study, pre-test, post-test, and questionnaire. The data required for classroom learning is currently going through several process of data collection and measuring student understanding of speaking teaching. And then next, talk about data analysis. When the researcher had finished administering the instrument, pre-test, post-test, and questionnaire, data is collected from the A grade of SMPN 8 Denpasar. The researcher must analyze data to determine research finding. Okay, next let's talk about success indicator. In indicator of success in classroom action research can be achieved if the subject study have researched the minimum standard of completeness. The minimum passing score at SMPN 8 Denpasar for English is 17 points. I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you for your nice attention.